The Pros and Cons of Practicing Forensic Pathology in the Philippines, 2025. The Realities of Forensic Pathology in the Philippines, Challenges and Hopes. Is forensic pathology in the Philippines a viable and sustainable profession? Government-hired forensic pathologists, if there is any, work under agencies like PNP, NBI, PAO, or even CHR, have stable salary, access to some government resources, involvement in national-level investigations, endure bureaucracy, political influence, security risks, professional jealousy from law enforcement, and often suffer limited funding where lawyers are dominant in their respective agencies, leaving out non-lawyers. On the other hand, private forensic pathologists work independently, often hired for second opinions or private cases, have more autonomy, have higher earning potential, have ability to challenge flawed government findings, as they advertise themselves as competent, albeit with lack of working experience. They lack access to state forensic facilities, receive threats from powerful entities, and receive credibility attacks from government-hired experts. Infrastructure issues and funding constraints, such as lack of modern forensic labs, outdated equipment, and inconsistent forensic protocols compared to neighboring countries such as Singapore and as far as Australia. Underfunding affects forensic investigations, especially in provincial areas, as forensic science laboratories are concentrated in regional offices which are themselves not fully equipped. Forensic training gaps in medical schools is a reality, and lack of specialized institutions. Readiness of society and cultural resistance as Filipinos, in general trust or distrust in forensic science. Political pressure and misinformation affect forensic credibility as seen in social media. There is never-ending challenge of educating law enforcement, the judiciary, and the public on the importance of forensic evidence. There is resistance from families and communities in autopsy cases due to cultural or religious beliefs, as in our Muslim brothers. There exist professional jealousy and institutional power struggles as rivalries and institutional pride between PNP, NBI, PAO, academe-based forensic pathologists, and CHR forensic teams, leading to conflicting findings. As infighting occurs between government forensic pathologists and private practitioners, academic versus practical forensic pathologists all lack collaboration in improving the field. There is the danger of politically aligned forensic opinions that favor certain groups. Graft, corruption, and manipulation in forensic science affect forensic investigations, e.g., planted evidence, manipulated autopsy results. The influence of politicians, powerful families, and law enforcement insiders helps in suppressing or altering findings. There is a risk of forensic pathologists being used as tools for legal or political gain. Short-term solutions, as increased funding for forensic training and infrastructure, implementing standardized forensic procedures, and strengthening legal protections for forensic pathologists against political influence. Long-term solutions include establishing an independent National Forensic Science Institute, passing stronger forensic laws currently under discussion in the Senate, and potential forensic-related bills under the Marcos Jr. administration. Encouraging young doctors and scientists to consider forensic pathology despite challenges. Call for public awareness and pressure on lawmakers for better forensic systems. Lastly, encourage everyone in the forensic science field and those in the law enforcement agencies that they are there to serve our people and justice. A clear conscience prevails always in serving our society. Mabuhay ang Pilipino! Share, comment, and discuss your thoughts below.